Hello everybody.
Hello, buddy.
How's everybody on this hot day? So today we found some PJ Masks.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, they're blind bags.
bags.
So we think they're new and there's very many to collect.
And I want to get Maya there.
And Gabriela wants Maya, which is that one. I don't know if you can see it. It's very small pictures, but hopefully we'll get it. So we're gonna start by opening one of them, okay? We'll show you what we got. Okay. This is how you open it, look.
I'm going to get Maya there.
Who'd you get?
Open it, let's see what you got.
No, I'll go Catboy.
Oh, you got
Show everybody.
Catboy. Show everybody in the camera.
Ooh, Catboy.
I will get Maya, Mommy.
And there's nothing else. Not a thing, not instructions, not a picture for the collectibles, nothing. Maybe this one. Put that one. Ready?
Okay. And I want to get out.
Okay.
Um,
Oh no, the same one.
You got a twin. Haha.
I will get Maya, Mommy.
It's okay.
Alright, we'll
We've
see.
got two more. Yeah, you finish opening. It's already open a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, you did it.
No, I'll go Catboy again.
Oh my goodness.
Oh
my goodness. Is it doing something else? No? Yeah, that one's doing something else. Yeah, that one's a different cowboy. He's doing different. Yeah, he's doing different, that one. Well, they're all doing different shapes. And another catboy. My goodness.
Mommy.
What's your favorite PJ mask, Gabby?
Catboy.
Is that your favorite?
Yes. I want to get Mario, Mommy.
Yeah, no, but don't you like Owlette? You don't like the red one?
I want to get.
Okay.
We all got the same one today, but we're gonna get some more and hopefully we get which one you want?
Mario.
Maya for Gabriela. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share and do all sorts of cool stuffs. Give me a kiss. No kiss.
She's too sad.
Too sad, too angry. Bye bye. I kiss you.
Jelly, I so sad I got all Catboy.
Yeah, we got all cat boys. I so sad too.
Jelly,
Yes.
hopefully later go and get Maya.
Yeah, hopefully later we get Maya. Then we'll be happy. Yeah? Okay, give me a kiss. Mwah. Say bye bye everybody.
Bye bye, everybody.
Bye bye everybody.